video has been sponsored by King Maps, 5Guard, and Just Scripts. Check their website in the description.
Hello everyone, welcome to Zexus development. In this video, we are going to install a 3D car menu script into our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is the script which you are going to install into FiveM server. I'll put the link in the description below. You just need to click on this download button. Then click over here and download the script. After downloading it, we just need to extract the file into our FiveM resource folder. So I'll be extracting it over here. Just like this. Now open the file, go to config, then client.lua. This is the configuration of our script. The default keybind to open the menu is K. You can set it according to your use. So I'll be keeping it default for now. And these are the configurations for doors, seats and windows. So I'll be keeping them default for now. Make sure to install the aux-lib, which is the dependency of the script as well. So yes guys, that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in a server now. Now let's spawn a car over here. So to open the car menu, we just need to type /vehicle menu. And over here you can see this is a 3D vehicle menu which is appeared over here. So let's open the door over here. As you can see, just like this, you can use this menu. Now to change the seat, you can do it like this. The shortcut key of the menu is K, as you can see. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.